Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to rotate your video on TikTok's new editing studio. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So TikTok have recently launched their new editing studio, and you can now rotate your videos in the app. Previously, you were not able to do that. So let me show you how to do this. The same process follows where you upload or record a video in TikTok. Then once you're on this page, tap on Adjust Clip at the top right. This should take you into the new editing studio. You should see a timeline below and some buttons below that. Below the timeline, tap on Edit. Next, tap on Rotate. This will start rotating your clip 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. If you don't like the 90 degrees rotation, then you can use your two fingers and rotate the clip manually to a specific degree. You should see the number of degree you're rotating to at the top of the screen. This is great for fixing clips which have been shot slanted, and by rotating it a bit, you can make it straight. Once you're happy with the rotation, press Save at the top right, and that will save your work. And that is how to rotate your video on TikTok's new editing studio. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.